Quilting is a beautiful craft that combines creativity with practicality. If you're new to quilting and looking for inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring free and easy quilting patterns perfect for beginners. Let's start with the Seaside Lap Quilt. This pattern is ideal for nature and beach lovers, evoking nostalgic coastal vibes. Next, we have the Watercolor Quilt, inspired by Agnes Martin's modern designs. It's beginner-friendly and features elegant stripe patterns. For those who love vibrant colors, the Shine Quilt is a must-try. It's the perfect way to add a bright touch to your home decor. Don't be intimidated by the Diamond Snowball Quilt. Despite its intricate appearance, it's actually quite simple to make. The Strawberry Fields Bricks Quilt is another quick and easy pattern to recreate. If you're looking for a romantic project, consider the Asymmetrical Wedding Quilt, suitable for couples of all ages. Halloween enthusiasts will love the Large Hexagon Quilt, a fun and festive project. For a classic look, try the Tiny Tile Quilt. The Peaches and Cream Quilt, designed by Simple Simon and Company, offers stunning colors and patterns that will capture your heart. For a modern twist, check out the Refracted Quilt pattern with its sleek and contemporary design. The Frame Squares Quilt is excellent for showcasing large print fabrics. The Here and There Squares Quilt, featuring the Uppercase Fabric Collection, is a creative masterpiece. Nature lovers will appreciate the on-the-fly pattern inspired by the great outdoors. For a burst of color, try the Colored Happy pattern, which uses vibrant Kona cotton solids. Lastly, the Cobblestone 2 quilt offers artistic beauty with its handcrafted fabric collection. Each of these patterns employs basic shapes and quilting techniques, making them perfect for beginners. They offer a range of styles, from traditional to modern, ensuring there's something for every taste. Remember, quilting is about creativity and enjoyment. These free patterns provide an excellent starting point for your quilting journey. Choose one that speaks to you and start creating your own unique quilt today. Want more easy quilting patterns for beginners? Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for a treasure trove of simple and inspiring designs. Happy quilting!